So we've added and subtracted integers. Now we need to multiply and divide integers. And the first thing you need to learn is when you multiply or divide two integers or two or more integers together, you first need to multiply or divide the signs, and then you multiply or divide the numbers. So the signs come first, then the numbers. The second thing you need to remember is there is a rule when you're multiplying signs. If you multiply plus by plus, you get a plus. If you multiply plus by minus, you get a minus. If you multiply minus by plus, you get a minus. And if you multiply minus by minus, you get a plus. It's basically, if you multiply two of the same signs together, you get a plus. And if you multiply two different signs together, you get a minus. And remember, when you're multiplying and dividing integers, you need to do the signs first and then the numbers. Now that's what I've done there is multiplying. What if you're dividing? Well, it's the same thing. Plus divided by plus is a plus. Plus divided by minus will give you a minus. Minus divided by plus will give you a minus. And minus divided by minus will give you a plus. Again, if the signs are the same, you'll end up with a plus. And if the signs are different, you'll end up with a minus. And I'd also say again, when you're dividing integers, you first look after the signs and then you do the numbers. So let's do a couple of examples. The first one, this is minus 3 multiplied by 2. So it's minus 3 by plus 2. Start with the signs. Minus by plus, that's a minus, and 3 by 2 is 6. So the answer should be minus 6. Look at the second one. Here we go, minus 6. Look at the second one. That's minus 4 multiplied by minus 4. Multiply the signs first. Minus by minus is a plus, and 4 by 4 is 16, so we get plus 16. Now we can just hide the plus there, so we don't have to write plus 16. 16 is okay, because the plus is implied when you write down 16. Now in the next case, we have 3 by 1. Well, there's a hidden plus in front of the 3, and there's a hidden plus in front of the 1. So if we multiply the plus in front of the 3 by the plus in front of the 1, plus by plus gives you plus. And then 3 by 1 gives you 3. Again, that's plus 3. And the last one, we have plus 6 multiplied by minus 3. So the plus in front of the 6 and the minus in front of the 3, plus by minus gives you a minus, and then multiply the 3 and the 6 together to give you minus 18 in total. Let's have a look at dividing. Okay, we have minus 4 divided by plus 2. Minus divided by plus is a minus, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we end up with minus 2. The next one, minus 4 divided by minus 1. Minus divided by minus is a plus. 4 divided by 1 is 4. So we end up with plus 4. Example 3. Plus divided by plus is plus. 30 divided by 6 is 5. And then the last one, plus divided by minus is a minus. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So we end up with minus 2.